Below you're looking at a Darrah rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This is a 50 amp 350 volt output rectifier. This unit's been completely gone through. It's in excellent condition. We currently have it hooked up to power. We'll run it for you here in just a moment. You can see the control panel here, the boards. Everything's in excellent condition. Step around the back. See the interior. This is a air-cooled unit. See the transformers. This is actually filtered with ramp control. It's 2% or less ripple at full load. See the meters on the front. This is a 480 volt 3-phase unit. Weight is 460 pounds. Dimensions are 36 inches long, 27 inches wide, and it's 44 inches high. We'll now operate the rectifier for you. You'll see the ramp control here as the meters start to come up. See the amperage and voltage output coming up. Once again, this is a 50 amp 350 volt output rectifier brought to you by Lanco. If you're interested in a rectifier, any plating or metal finishing equipment or waste treatment equipment, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.